Thank you very much for the opportunity to speak on behalf of so many patients and so many patient organizations. And I also want to take this opportunity to thank Genzyme because they have been a long-time supporter, advisor, collaborator with NTSAD, ranging from carrier screening, education, awareness, and research. And also, we have had 2 fundraising events here in this beautiful Genzyme Center, and our next one is going to be on November 10th. So thank you very much. As Jamie mentioned, National Tay-Sachs is one of the oldest patient organizations. It's been around for over 50 years, and it was founded by parents. So just like any of the patient organizations, parents got together to say, what is wrong with my kids? How can I help them? How can there be a treatment and cure? So over time, the organization and all the families, what they did is they banded together. They helped to find the missing enzyme. They helped to figure out and work together with scientists to say what are the gene mutations, as well as carry out community carrier screening. Today, our mission is to lead the fight to treat and cure Tay-Sachs, Canavan, and related genetic diseases, and to support families and affected individuals to lead fuller lives. So the diseases that we support have something in common. They're all progressive neurological genetic diseases, and they do not have any treatments today. There are no cures. So that's the challenge. However, we do see a lot of hope. And we see hope for a number of reasons. One, from an NTSAD perspective, back in August, a group of scientists that we've been working with received a multi-million-dollar NIH grant to advance a gene therapy project. Should this project be successful, in 3 to 4 years, there will be a human clinical trial for gene therapy. If the gene therapy trial is successful, it could have implications for many diseases beyond Tay-Sachs. Another reason that there is hope is that the families and have worked together to support a project. It's a phase 1 clinical study, investigator-initiated study, to look at a drug that's already been approved for another indication, and they're looking to see if it can help our adults that are affected with late-onset Tay-Sachs disease. Also, as with many patient organizations, I think there's a lot of hope because we see more and more families that are banding together. They want to support research. They're really raising awareness about the importance of funding research and really trying to push it forward. In terms of hope on a broader front, we see that patient advocacy groups, medical research foundations are all really growing in importance in terms of their impact in funding research. They're working together with biotech and pharma corporations to fund research projects that a few years ago might not have been funded. So there's definitely hope. It's important that there's all this collaboration. On the government front, just yesterday you may have read that the NIH and FDA are going to work together to plan to see how the FDA can have faster decision making on therapies. Certainly this will help rare diseases. And in general, I think we see more and more biotech companies that are interested in the field of rare diseases, that are working on rare diseases, and thanks to all of you that have been working hard to raise awareness. So I think that we stand here, we talk about rare diseases, but we all know that they can happen to anybody. And when they do, it doesn't matter if it's a rare disease or a common disease, it's just as devastating. So I want to thank you all here. I want to really send the same message as Ramon, that we're on the path to finding treatments and cures for everyone. Thank you.